Hello everybody, my name is Soumya and happy Diwali to all of you. आज की जो रीडिंग है वो ये है, आपके जो पार्टनर है क्या वो आपको कमिटमेंट देंगे? इज़ इट येस और इज़ इट अ नो? ओके, वी विल डू अ डिटेल रीडिंग. आई हैव अ 2 decks here already. Deck 1 is White Rider deck and deck 2 is Tarot to go. Okay, so you have to choose between two piles. Take a deep breath and choose your pile. Okay, then we will start our reading. Okay, so hope you have chose your deck. Now we will start with our deck 1. Those who choose White Rider deck, let's see what is there in your love life. क्या आपके पार्टनर आपको कमिटमेंट देंगे? डेक 1. Think of a person. They will give you commitment. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Those who chose deck 1, their person will give their commitment. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is the answer for deck 1? Will deck 1 people, person will give them commitment. Okay. आई एम हैविंग अ फीलिंग राइट नाउ, आपके जो पर्सन है वो आपके बारे में सोच रहे बहुत ज़्यादा है. दे आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट एंड येस दे विल टेक अ मोमेंट फॉर श्योर गाइस. ओके, एंड येस दे विल गिव यू अ कमिटमेंट फॉर श्योर. Right now they will make some decision, they will come forward to you to meet you, and there will be a traveling between you both. Okay, and yes, you would be having some engagement or some marriage with this person for sure. They will give you a marriage commitment. They want to have a family with you. Right now they are definitely deeply thinking about you. This person could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio guys. Okay, Sagittarius. They are thinking about you. Most of you have already moved on from your past and this person is coming towards to you. Okay, and this is a water sign more over here. Okay, Pisces. There is a Pisces a lot in your charts. Okay, or in your person charts. See, they see you as a queen right now. They are watching you like you are having lots of abundance. I am having a feeling like this person want to tell you something but they are not able to take a move for you. ओके, ये आपके बारे में सोच बहुत ज़्यादा रहे पर आपके लिए मूवमेंट नहीं लेना चाह रहे हैं. इनके पास हो सकते हैं 1-2 पेट्स हो. ओके, दे आर एनिमल्स लवर फॉर श्योर फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ यू, or you could be an animal lover, and this person think about you. They see you as an empress also. So queen and empress, most probably you are like an abundant to them. They will definitely take a move. Right now their ego is clashing. Okay, and there will be a decision making for sure. Okay, universe is with you both, and this person wants a marriage with you but they are not, right now not ready. They are being ready right now. Okay, so let's see what our romance angel says for you, deck 1. What is the future of deck 1 with their person? What will their person will give them commitment? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me. Will their person will give them commitment? Okay, I got many cards here. Healing family issues. Okay, this person family issues are not healed. Okay, and I am having a feeling like आपके जो person है इनकी फैमिली इश्यूज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड जब वो आएंगे आपके पास ये रिजॉल्व होकर आएगा. ओके, देर इज़ अ रिलीजियस फैक्टर्स, इट कैन बी एनी फैक्टर्स. ओके गाइस, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि रिलीजियस भी हो. अगर रिलीजियस भी होंगे आपके प्रॉब्लम, दे कुड बी अ स्पिरिचुअल problem too between you both. Okay, you must be having a fight because of your religion problem, and most of you other people, I can say like आप लोगों के between जो fight हो रही है, कुछ factors affect हो रहे हैं. Like one person is ready, other person is ready, and they like you, they love you, but they don't want to take a moment. I am having a feeling like you guys haven't like फील योर फ्री योर सेल्फ. आपने अपने आप को लाइक बहुत बंधा हुआ कर रखा है किसी ना किसी चीज़ को लेकर. सो यू हैव टू फ्री योर सेल्फ गाइज. ओके, इट इज़ इट्स टाइम टू टेक बैक कंट्रोल टू योर लाइफ. सो फ्री योर सेल्फ. ओके, फ्री योर inner थिंक, inner mind, and let this person come to your life. Okay, God is giving you some sign, universe is giving you sign, so pay attention to the red flag guys. You must be getting some red flags. It could be a good also and it could be a positive, but what I am having a feeling, there will be definitely a positive sign by this person. For most of you, this person could be from past. From others, this could be your divine counterpart. Okay, see, you've already met this person before, and most of you are already married with this person. There is some decision making going on between you both. You both are separated, and you both are in long distance relationship. Maybe you guys, when you will come, you will disconnect from the world, and definitely there will be a honeymoon between you both. Okay, you will get to know more each other. Let's see what is more for you. Well, that one person will give them commitment. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is the guidance for deck one person? Okay, your person sees you as a privileged lady and or a privileged man. Okay guys, number 12 can be prominent in your life. Okay, you are very abundant to them, and you are growing too fast and very nicely, very broadly. You are very beautiful. Okay, so your person sees you as a privileged lady. Right now, see, they are not able to come because of their financial issues, but they will come for sure. 29 is also very important. It could be like this person age or your age. Okay, this person could be a younger from you, or you could be a younger from them. See, I told you, you are a divine counterpart. Okay guys, so congratulations deck one. Your person will definitely will give you a commitment. Just be patient. Okay, after this Diwali, there will be a magical miracles happening in your life. Deck one people. Nice, right? 15 lovers. Okay, this person is your divine soulmate or divine counterpart, twin flame. Take what resonate with you guys, and you both are meant to be with each other. अगर ये आपको ये लग रहा है कि आपसे दूर भाग रहे हैं, ये आपसे दूर ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं भाग पाएंगे, because universe is handling them too. So congratulations deck 1. Now let's with our deck 2. What is there with our deck 2? Hope you all like my reading deck 1. Please comment below section and like my video. Let's see what is there for our deck 2, those who choose tarot to go. Okay, now let's see what is your person says or think about you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? Will their person will give them commitment? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Will their person will give them commitment? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Will their person will give them commitment? Okay, I got a tower moment first. I felt like this person is from your past. Okay, they could be a fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and you both had a tower moment, which is a breakup between you both, and there will be a transformation in this person's life. Okay, right now they are watching you like an empress lady. You are very beautiful to them, and I am having a feeling like you guys are growing every day and you are working through your own. You are self-made ladies, okay, or self-made man over here. Let's see more. Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? Their person will give them commitment. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Right now, guys, they are thinking about you and they are working hard for you. Okay, there could be a financial issues. For other, this could be a there could be a trouble because of family issues too. Okay, or for others, this person could be a divorcee, married, or could be in a separation. Okay, see, आप दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए हैं बने हुए, but there are more ego clashes between you both. One is trying to contact you, they are having a big transformation, and other one is an empress. Okay, emperor or empress, you are just busy in making your own abundance, own growth, own wealth. You are traveling around the world, guys. Okay, this is for you, whosoever is watching this right now. Your person is having a big transformation. They are having a spiritual awakening regarding you, and they also want to be abundant, as they can come with you a good proposal, marriage proposal. Right now I'm having a feeling right now they are having some financial issues and they are working very hard for you. I feel like this person is holding on to you very badly. They are watching you on social media, they are stalking you everywhere, whether you have blocked this person or not, but they are watching you. Okay, guys, they want you very badly. They are holding on to you. They don't want to leave you. See, they are watching you and they will definitely make a move. Okay, this is a hermit card. Right now, they are being very indecisive and they will take some faith, they will definitely come towards to you. Okay, your person is fire signs. I am having a feeling of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. See, they are manifesting you guys very badly, and they want a happy marriage with you. When they come with you, they will definitely make a move. They are dreaming about you, and yeah, they want to make a big home with you guys. Okay, like they are also abundant right now, but definitely you will get a justice from this guy. Okay, guy or a girl. They have left you for third parties or some financial issues. Okay, guys, but right now they are in a big transformation. They are in a big trouble. They want a happy married life with you. See, happy family. They see you as a big abundant lady, guys. Okay, let's see what our romance angel says for you. Deck 2. Will deck 2 person will give them commitment? Angel Spirit, please guide me. 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 Will the person will give them commitment? What is the future of this connection? Oof, oof, oof. Your person is very thinking badly about you. Okay, I'll take one card. Okay, this is similar like deck 1. You can watch deck 1 if you want to watch deck 1 reading. You have to pay attention to the sign, guys. Okay, whatever signs you are getting, I feel like you can be watching 111, 222, 555. Okay, and you have to release your ex. If it is your ex, you have to release it so that they can come to you. Okay, you are not releasing your ex is also not coming towards you, or your past partner or new love if you want. So you have to release your ex to make them come towards to you. Okay, the time has come to clear your energy. So your energies are blocked, guys, your heart chakra. So make your heart chakra open. Okay, so do breathing exercises with rose quartz and all. This will help you to release your ex, and there will be a reunion. They will give you definitely a commitment again, but this commitment will be very serious. Okay, guys, let's see from our another oracle what it says for you. Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? Will their person will give them commitment? Your person is being in very bad depression, guys. They are unwell, or their family member could be unwell. Okay, right now. Okay, 31 is the number of a bad health, or it could be their age, or your age, your person age. Your person could be 34 also, or 35 also, or their family could be in a bad health, or they could be in a depression too without you. Okay, so see what resonate with you. I'm sorry, guys, for disturbance. Some work is going on, so please don't mind my disturbance. Angel spirit, please guide me. What is the answer for deck 2? Will their person will give them commitment? Will their person will give them commitment? Angel spirit, please guide me. What is the answer? Mature woman. Your person sees you as a mature woman or a man. Okay, you're a man with a divine feminine energies, guys. Okay, number 6 is very resonated with you. You're a mature person. You know how to handle your things very easily. Okay, guys. So yes, it's a yes answer. There could be a court marriage between you both, or this person, for most of you, can work it as a lawyer. Okay, so take what resonate. Okay, so this was my reading, guys. Hope you all liked it, and sorry for my bad disturbance. And do let me know you liked my reading and it helped you. Don't forget to comment below section, and happy Diwali, guys. See you after Diwali. Mwah.